Hi, this video is to help you get started with Formitize, and there's quite a lot to it. I think it's important to remember that you don't need to get everything right from the start. You can concentrate on the main challenge, the reason that you came to us in the first place, focus on that, get that right, and then you can explore other modules within Formitize. Now, this is the dashboard that we're looking at, the home dashboard, and you can see across the top there's a horizontal menu which enables you to dig deeply into the different modules. In most cases, you can just jump straight to the right section by clicking on the module that you're interested in. So you can see you've got the contacts, sales pipeline, job management, task management, document management, quoting and invoicing, and then your forms section. We'll come back and have a look at those in a moment. Underneath that, you've got the quick action. So you can very quickly add a new contact or a new lead, for example. You can send an email or an SMS straight from the send new section, or you can search. Once you've got information and jobs in here, I want to search for a particular job number. I can enter the job number and hit search. That will take me into the jobs module and find the job that I'm looking for. So I can then go and view it in the scheduler, edit the job, or talk to the customer about it, whatever it might be. So that's the search function available on the home page. The other thing to note, there's a timeline on the left-hand side that's tracking all of the different activity that's going on. And then across the top, you've got the vertical menu that I talked about. There's the option for tasks. So whatever page you're looking at, you've got access to your tasks and it'll highlight any that are outstanding. And you can go into settings. Now, I want to have a quick look at settings now while you're getting started, because you'll have your company profile options here, where you can adjust your company details. You can upload your company logo if you haven't done that already. That'll help you select colors and logos for the platform. You can view any invoices from Formitize and set up your payment details. So that's all available under the company profile. In terms of the settings page generally, you can see you've got the general account settings at the top and then the individual module settings underneath. Now, if you're looking for a specific thing, the easiest way to find it is to put in the keyword. So I'll type in invoice, and you can see that it's opened automatically all of the settings related to invoices. Alternatively, you can hit the expand all, and that will open everything up for you to see and adjust. Once you've got your company details right, the next thing we encourage you to do is to add your users and get that set up. You can set up your user groups, and that's just separating your users by type. So you might have a sales team and an admin team, for example. So you can set up the user groups here, or you can go to the user menu and add both user groups and new users from the user manual in the top. Okay. Now, for most businesses, the paperwork is the nightmare. And for many clients that come to us from whatever size, it's a paperwork or a workflow problem that's the challenge. So I'm going to go to the forms option at the end, and let's see how we can add new forms into your account. So we've now come into the forms dashboard. The other way I can get there is go to forms and forms dashboard to come to the same page. Now, at the top here, you've got a range of different options. You can add new templates, view your existing templates, and we have put some sample templates into your account for you to test and play around with. You can start a new form from within the dashboard, and there's some other options there as well. But I want to concentrate on getting you started. So let's hit the add new template option. And this brings us to this page where you now have three choices to create a new template. You can either use our form bank, which has a whole library of pre-built templates ready to go. You can use the form builder, which is a drag and drop tool to create forms exactly as you like, or you can upload a form. Now, if I select that one, and if you're new to our business, we would love to build your first form for you as part of your setup process. So you can simply drag and drop a form here that will come into our team, and our team will build it for you to get you up and running. Once you are up and running, we're still happy to build your forms for you. We have a team of dedicated form wizards. That's all they do all day, every day. In that case, we'll quote those for you and make sure you're happy with the price, and then we'll go ahead and build the forms for you. So if we jump across to form bank, I just want to show you how that works. Here, all of the templates that we've got, and we're adding to it all the time. You can jump to a section that you're interested in. You can see the different form categories that are available. You can then see thumbnails of the different templates that you can grab. So I'll just click on the site safety checklist so we can have a proper look at that. Now, when you upload this template to your account, it will automatically put your logo in, all of your company details. It'll use your primary color, and even the blue tint here in the question side, it will be a tint of your primary color there as well. But this view enables you to go through and see the buttons that have been selected, the colors that automatically populate. You can see that there's actionable items with correction dates and signatures. All of the document management elements at the bottom of the page are automatically there for you. And this example has photos, the photo option as well. So that, if you're happy with that and you like the look of it, then you simply hit the upload template button, and that will automatically add this template now into your account. You'll get that green success message to say that it's ready to go. Once that's the case, you can add more templates, or you can go and view the form templates that have been added to your account. So I've gone to the forms option and then hit view form templates. And now I can see the different templates that are available in my account. You can see these are the example ones that we've added for you in most cases. And from there, you can fill them in and see the end result straight from the page. If you want to build your own, then you can go to the form builder. So to do that, you go build form template, and then from that option, hit the form builder. Now there is a different video that shows how to create forms using the form builder, so I won't go into the detail of that now, but that's your options. Okay, so we've looked at how to add a new form to your account. We've also looked at settings, we've looked at tasks, and we've looked at adding new users. The only other thing I want to really talk about in getting started is if you need any help, there is a help menu on the right hand side. And in most cases, you'll want to add your contacts as well. So once we go to the CRM and contacts page, there's a number of different options here, but you can certainly import contact lists, add new contacts individually, and throughout the system you can see that little video icon there. That's a user guide on how the page that you're looking at works. So if you're not sure how to get started on the page that you're looking at, click on that and watch a video on the page that you're looking at. Great. So that's basically how to get started. There is a lot to Formitize, but we find that if you take it in small steps, focus on the main challenge, the reason that you came to us in the first place, then you'll just end up enjoying every aspect of it and getting more and more value from Formitize the more that you use it. If you haven't already been contacted by your account manager, they will be in touch with you very soon, and they would love to spend some time with you, understand your main challenges, and personally walk you through how to get that solved. Thank you very much. We really look forward to working with you and can't wait to see you get started.